get smashed? Did you get smashed? You need me to get it for you? That's a pike. That's awesome, Dad. Dude.
Oh, we swallowed it. Give me the...
Dude, that's awesome, Dad. Look at that.
Okay, he saw that water and he was gone.
All right, what's going on, guys? Today, he took the skirt. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here. Today we are day one of practice on Lake Wallace for the third stop of the Indiana Bass Nation Bassmaster High School circuit, and we pulled up on a spot I wanted to check to start out here, and as you guys just saw, my dad caught a nice pike. Is that a northern or is that a regular pike?
Northern.
That's a northern?
Yeah.
So, nice northern pike. What do you think he was? Probably 30 inches? 25, 30, 26?
26.
26-inch pike. Completely mauled our chatterbait. So we're fishing this offshore kind of grass flat. We're fishing like right on the edge of the contour, right where the hard line of grass ends, and we're fishing back up on this grass flat. And man, I wish that was a bass. But like I said, we're out here practicing for the tournament. We're just gonna continue to follow this contour and fish this grass flat, and I'd like to catch myself one of those. So I'm gonna throw a chatterbait. Oh, that's a keeper. Keeper largemouth. Keeper largemouth. Keeper.
Oh, that's a good one. That's the ones you want to catch. Right there. 5 of those will win this thing.
If he's 14.
Yeah.
Well, crap, dude.
All right, let's get out of here.
I caught one.
Yeah.
Out here deep cranking.
He just needs to be about 8 more inches. 6 anyway.
Look at that. He went right back to the spot. I told you I could catch one out here deep cranking. I told you those were fish.
I'll do that over the circuit.
That's not even a keeper, dude. That's the smallest frogfish I probably ever caught.
He's a keeper.
No, he's not.
He is.
I bet he's not.
Close if you want.
No, he's not even 12 inches. Barely even he's not even 13 inches. Barely 13. For this lake, it's a biggin. He came off. That was like a 3-pounder. I'm not even kidding. Dude, I'm not even kidding. That was like a 3. You saw it jump, didn't you?
I heard something splash.
Dude, that was like a 3.
See it.
That was like a 3-pounder. That fish came halfway out of the water and he was this long. That was a 3-pounder. I was wondering why it was so hard to... There's another one. There's another one. Look at my rod. He probably came off, watch. He came off. Oh, I got a big pike. Big pike. Not big, but...
Don't flip him. Uh-oh.
Get him in, just get him. What'd you do? Hold on.
What about that look like?
24-incher.
Catch and release.
Slithery thing.
Good one.
See.
24.
Pike. That's a 4-pounder, is what according to this.
What's a 30? Mine was 30 probably.
7.5.
Because mine was quite a bit bigger than that
Damn.
one, wasn't it?
So there's fish here. Lost a 3-pounder, then had him. Bent out my treble hook. Flip him. That's a keeper, isn't it? Yeah, I bet he is. We're gonna check him. Dang, so lost a 3, caught a northern pike, caught that one. I think he's a keeper. No, he's probably 13. Sucker's tiny. I need your grandma. It was so little, it didn't even make a explosion when it blew up. It came off, it was a keeper. Out of here. Here, hold on. We're leaving. We're leaving right now. We're going to the next pocket.
I knew there'd be one up there. He's gonna go right back under that tree. I see him in his belly.
No, he spit it.
Okay. That's a keeper.
The net's a lot quieter. That's why I got it. Jesus Christ.
Frog it on this side. Sink on that side. That's, you get 5 of those, you're gonna win this thing. Guaranteed.
I got it. I'm going to him. Come back here. What do you do with that? I think we'll stop.
He said most of the time they're on pontoon. He told me to catch it. Keep him calm.
Except that one. That one wasn't on no pontoon.
That was a keeper.
And that,
Here, get that one. Let's get that one.
That's definitely.
Here, let me show you something better.
You gonna weigh him?
no, I will once we get 5. Oh, he's pooping. Oh yeah, we got us a keeper.
Might as well weigh him. No. You start calling.
I'll do it later. Once we get 5, I do. Oh yeah, we got us, number 1.
Hey.
No, that's not even a keeper. That's not a keeper.
I think he is.
I don't
Dude, net him. I think he's a keeper.
Yeah, he's a keeper.
13.
He's gonna be 13 again.
Well,
Doubled up.
Dude, they're eating munching this. And we
that
have,
one looks long enough.
which one? His?
Yours is.
Check it. Mine's not. Dude. Damn, another 13 incher.
26.